Once upon a time, in a serene monastery nestled amidst lush green mountains, there lived a renowned Zen master named Master Chen. He was known for his deep wisdom and his ability to guide his students towards enlightenment. One day, a young and curious student named Liang approached Master Chen, seeking his guidance on the art of remembering things through meditation. Liang found Master Chen seated peacefully in the monastery garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and the calming sound of flowing water. With a humble bow, Liang began, "Master Chen, I have observed that my mind often becomes scattered and forgetful. I struggle to retain the knowledge and lessons you impart. Is there a way to enhance my memory through meditation?" Master Chen, with his gentle smile, looked into Liang's eyes and replied, "Ah, Liang, the art of memory is not merely about accumulation or storage of information. It is a dance of awareness and connection with the present moment. Come, let me tell you a story." As the sun gently bathed the garden, Master Chen and Liang sat down under the shade of an ancient cherry blossom tree. Master Chen began, "Long ago, there was a young scholar named Wu. He possessed a brilliant mind and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. But despite his intelligence, he struggled to remember the vast amount of information he encountered on his quest for wisdom. Yu journeyed far and wide to seek the guidance of various sages and scholars. One day, he came across a wise old woman known for her impeccable memory. Eager to learn her secrets, Yu approached her and asked, "Honored one, how do you remember so much?" The old woman smiled and replied, "My dear child, the key to remembering is not in accumulating more, but in truly experiencing and connecting with what you encounter. It is in being fully present and engaging your senses. Watch and listen closely." With great curiosity, Wu observed the old woman's daily routine. He noticed that whenever she learned something new, she would pause, close her eyes, and take a deep breath. In that moment, she allowed herself to be fully present, absorbing the essence of what she had just learned. The old woman continued, "When you immerse yourself in the experience, when you engage your senses fully, you create a deep impression in your being. The memory becomes a part of you, not merely a collection of facts." Liang listened intently, captivated by the old woman's wisdom. He asked Master Chen, "So, Master, how can I apply this in my meditation practice?" Master Chen replied, "Ah, my dear Liang, in your meditation, let go of the notion of memory as a burden to bear. Instead, approach it as a sacred act of presence. When you sit in stillness, observe the breath entering and leaving your body. Let your senses awaken to the subtlest sensations, the gentle rhythm of life around you. Allow each moment to be vividly alive, like a flower blooming before your eyes. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them and gently let them pass. Trust in the power of your awareness and your connection to the present. When you emerge from your meditation, carry that sense of presence with you and see how it transforms your ability to remember." Liang felt a sense of clarity and gratitude wash over him. He bowed deeply to Master Chen, expressing his heartfelt appreciation. From that day forward, Liang approached his meditation practice with a renewed understanding, embracing each moment as a precious opportunity for presence and deep connection. And so, under the cherry blossom tree, the student and master sat, enveloped in tranquility, their hearts aligned in the boundless journey of learning, remembering, and awakening.